Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Soaking Urad Dal without a pressure cooker is very simple, and it starts with a crucial step: soaking. You'll want to soak your dal overnight, or for at least 6 hours, as this significantly softens the lentils. This pre-soaking step drastically reduces the overall cooking time later on, making sure your dal cooks up beautifully tender. It's the secret to a perfectly cooked dal when you don't have a pressure cooker handy. After soaking, it's really important to thoroughly rinse your Urad dal. Keep rinsing it several times under running water until the water runs completely clear, removing any impurities. Next, choose a large, heavy-bottomed pot. This helps distribute heat evenly and prevents the dal from sticking. Add fresh water to the pot, about 3 to 4 times the volume of your dal, ensuring there's plenty of room for it to cook. Now bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. You'll likely see some foam rising to the surface during these initial minutes, so gently skim that off with a spoon. Allow your dal to continue simmering gently for about 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes even a little longer, until each grain feels wonderfully tender. To check if your dal is perfectly cooked, simply take a few grains and press them gently between your fingers. They should mash very easily, indicating they are tender. If they still feel a bit firm, just add a splash more hot water and continue simmering until they reach that perfect consistency. This is also the ideal moment to stir in your salt and any other preferred seasonings, as adding salt too early can sometimes prevent the dal from softening completely. For an extra burst of flavor, consider preparing a simple tempering, often called a tadka. This typically involves heating a little ghee or oil, and then frying your favorite spices like cumin seeds, mustard seeds, or dried red chilies until fragrant. Stir this aromatic tempering into your perfectly cooked dal just before serving. Your delicious, perfectly cooked Urad dal is now ready to enjoy, whether with steamed rice or warm roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.